Have you ever thought that something as small and overlooked as your gas cap could be secretly causing your car to perform poorly? It might sound unbelievable, but this tiny piece of plastic is often the hidden reason behind engine troubles, reduced fuel efficiency, and even unexpected warning lights on your dashboard. And yet, most drivers never give it a second thought. But here's the truth. A faulty or neglected gas cap can affect your engine's health more than you think. If your vehicle has been running rough, using more gas than usual, or showing that annoying check engine light for no obvious reason, your gas cap might be the culprit. Today, I'm going to walk you through the simple but powerful steps you can take to fix this problem, save money, and restore your car's performance. The first secret is to replace your old or damaged gas cap entirely. This might sound like an unnecessary expense, but here's why it matters. Your gas cap does more than just close the fuel tank. It plays a crucial role in maintaining the right amount of pressure inside your fuel system. Over time, the rubber seal on the cap dries out, cracks, or wears down. When that happens, the system can't stay sealed properly. This lets fuel vapors escape into the air and throws off the pressure inside your gas tank. When pressure levels aren't stable, your engine's fuel delivery becomes inconsistent. That can cause your car to hesitate when you accelerate, lose power, or even stall at a stoplight. The good news is, a brand new gas cap is cheap, usually under $20, and you can find it at any auto parts store. Once replaced, it restores the sealed environment your engine needs to run efficiently. It's a small part, with a surprisingly big impact on your car's performance and fuel economy. The second secret is something most people never consider. Your gas cap might just be loose. That's right, not broken, not missing, just not screwed on tightly. And believe it or not, this small mistake can cause some major problems. A loose gas cap is one of the most common reasons your check engine light comes on. It can also trigger trouble codes like P0440 or P04457, which relate to problems in your vehicle's evaporative emission system, or EVAPE for short. This system is designed to capture and contain fuel vapors before they escape into the atmosphere. If your gas cap isn't secure, vapors leak out, and the system can't do its job. Your car responds by turning on warning lights or running poorly, sometimes with reduced power, rough idling, or even an odd smell. So, what's the fix? Just tighten the gas cap until it clicks. If the cap no longer tightens or feels loose even after turning it, it's time to get a new one. It's one of the fastest, easiest fixes you can make to solve. What the second secret is something most people never consider. Your gas cap might just be loose. That's right, not broken, not missing, just not screwed on tightly. And believe it or not, this small mistake can cause some major problems. A loose gas cap is one of the most common reasons your check engine light comes on. It can also trigger trouble codes like P0440 or P0457, which relate to problems in your vehicle's evaporative emission system, or EVAPE for short. This system is designed to capture and contain fuel vapors before they escape into the atmosphere. If your gas cap isn't secure, vapors leak out, and the system can't do its job. Your car responds by turning on warning lights or running poorly, sometimes with reduced power, rough idling, or even an odd smell. So what's the fix? Just tighten the gas cap until it clicks. If the cap no longer tightens or feels loose even after turning it, it's time to get a new one. It's one of the fastest, easiest fixes you can make to solve what seems like a complicated issue. The third secret is something many drivers overlook. Clean the area around your gas cap and the filler neck regularly. Dirt, sand, fuel residue, or even tiny rust particles can build up where your gas cap seals against the tank. If that surface isn't perfectly clean, the seal gets compromised. Even if the cap itself is new or in good shape, that means pressure escapes, fuel vapor leaks out, and your engine's performance suffers. This is where a simple product like WD-40 can work wonders. Spray a small amount onto a clean cloth and wipe the threads of the gas cap, the rubber gasket, and the metal filler neck. This removes grime, restores smooth contact between surfaces, and even helps loosen any stuck parts. Don't worry, WD-40 won't damage the rubber. In fact, it helps restore flexibility and prevents further cracking or hardening. If your cap has started aging but isn't fully worn out yet, this trick can breathe new life into it and keep your fuel system sealed tight. The fourth secret is about using the right type of gas cap for your specific vehicle. Not all gas caps are the same. Some cars are designed to use a vented cap, which allows air to enter the tank as fuel is used to keep pressure balanced. Others need a non-vented, sealed cap, especially if the car has a tightly controlled emission system. Using the wrong kind of cap can throw off the pressure readings and confuse the sensors in your car's fuel system. If that happens, you might notice engine misfires, sluggish acceleration, or uneven fuel delivery. That's because the engine's computer can't understand what's happening inside the tank. It's reading the wrong data. Always check your vehicle's owner manual, or ask a qualified mechanic to confirm whether your car needs a vented or non-vented gas cap. Installing the correct one will prevent long-term engine issues and make your ride smoother and more reliable. The fifth secret is to inspect and replace the rubber gasket inside the cap, even if the outer part of the cap still looks fine. This gasket is the flexible rubber ring that presses against the filler neck and forms the airtight seal. But with age, this gasket can crack, flatten, or wear away. When that happens, the gas cap can't hold pressure, even if it looks like it's on tight. That means fuel vapors escape, and your car's computer may assume there's a leak in the system. Fortunately, in many cases, you don't have to replace the entire gas cap. Some models let you buy and install a replacement gasket for just a few dollars. This brings back the tight seal and allows your engine's pressure system to work like it's supposed to. A worn gasket can also let moisture or tiny particles of dust sneak into your fuel tank, leading to poor combustion and even long-term engine wear. Replacing that small rubber ring helps keep your fuel clean and your engine running efficiently. So, the next time you're thinking about how to boost your car's performance, don't jump straight to expensive repairs or complex diagnostics. Sometimes the smallest, simplest parts, like your gas cap, make the biggest difference. Keeping this tiny component clean, sealed, and in good condition can help your engine breathe properly, burn fuel efficiently, and avoid future problems. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with friends who might be dealing with the same issues, and subscribe for more tips that can save you time and money. Got questions or your own experiences to share? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, take care of your ride and let it take care of you.